sir. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Rahma. I'm 43 years old. I come from Subang, west of Java, Indonesia. I'm married already. I have two children, girls 12 years old, boys 8 years old. My last education, junior high school. I'm Muslim. I have experience in Singapore, 5 years with 2 employers. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and my future. First employer. There are 4 people at home. I look after 2 girls, 10 and 5 years old. I do marketing, cooking, housekeeping, and look and take care 1 dog. I finish my contract. Second employer. There are 4 people at home. I look after 1 boy, 12 years old, and Ama, 80 years old. I do house cleaning, marketing, cooking, and wash 2 cars. I also can handle baby, children, elderly, and disabled. I can cook Chinese food, Indonesian food, like a chicken curry, ABC soup, braised pork. Thank you, sir. Thank you, mom. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.